Right, Connor. So, Stairway to Heaven solo. So we'll do the just the first half now. That should be plenty to be getting on with, and then we'll finish it maybe next week. Okay, so you know the first couple of bits anyway, right? So we'll just go over them anyway. So we're in the first position pentatonic here. Bend from the top note on the G string, coming down to the bottom note on the E, straight down the scale, as far as the top note on the D string, then bridge down, and then we're hitting this note that's not quite in the pentatonic scale. It's an F note for the F chord that it's going over, right? So once again, so there's our first phrase. Next one, we're going to the B string, top of the B string, bending up, full tone bend, hitting the E string on the same fret, then coming in here. So you just need to get your fingers off that one and straight onto this one, and kind of use your right hand to kind of do all of that stuff, you know, that string changing stuff silently, right? So you're going in that little silent, that little muted moment there where you have, during that, that's the place to get onto the next string for the next pen. So come down to the bottom of the E string, then slide from the top of the B string up to the third position, same note. Once more. Now, if you're not if you're not a big fan of bending with your little finger, what you can do is just bend the first one with your middle, and then get out this way. And then we've got a pull off here, so this is kind of in the blues box now. But unlike when you're in the blues box normally, we're not going down a fret here on the G string again for the sake of that F. So here we go. Okay, so now we've got a little bit more of the same here, right? So back to where we started in the solo, but this first bend here is shorter, so it's as opposed to. So this next one is the same, just with a shorter bend. So that's that whole phrase. So let's go through it again. So basically, it's exactly the same up to a point, other than the shorter bend. We go down as far now. Here we're going down to the 7th fret. We're keeping it in the pentatonic. A longer note there once we get back to it. Then once we get back here, we're going bottom of the G, top of the D, hitting that again twice, and then just an open G note. Okay, so one more time. All right, and then right after that open G note, we're doing the same, basically the same rundown again. But this time we've got 2 consecutive pull-offs on the D string, followed by the F note. So we're going no bend this time, so it's just from that open G. So a bit different at the end again, right? Okay, and then from there we're sliding up. So we slide up to the 12th fret on the A string. So we're bridging across here on the 10th fret between the D and G strings. Back to the 12th, pull off, 12th on the A string. 10, back to 10 and 12 on the D string, slide up to the 14th. Okay, so let's go through it again. And always remember where you are. So like this is the 3rd position, or sorry, 4th position pentatonic. always remember to kind of contextualize what you're doing within some kind of a position, so you know where you are. Now again, this is not all, you know, there's a lot of these F notes, that minor 6 note, right? So it's not strictly pentatonic. So we're going up again. Then, moving on, we've got this bend here from the 15th fret. So just up and down. Then we hit that bend, come down. Okay, so let's run over that again, right? So we got this. And now, finally, we'll leave it here at that repeating lick that he does. Okay, so we're coming up. Okay, so now with this one, right, there's really only one picking pattern that's effective here, right? So I'll show you what it is. So we're coming up on the bend, release, pull, down on the G string 14th, down on the B string 13th, up on the bend. Okay, so let's just do a quick run through of all that, see if we can get it in one. So we're going up. And so on. Okay, so we'll get the next bit then. That's about halfway through anyway, so that's plenty to be getting on with. So and it doesn't get that much harder than that, I don't think. So okay, we'll finish that next week then. Talk to you then.